In this video, let's see what is Chat SMS and how to use it. Once the campaign is sent out, users who are interested will text you back. In the navigation bar, click on Chat SMS. Here, you can see a list of filters like received, unread, etc. in order to filter messages. Here, you can see the list of messages you received. Select a conversation from the list. You can view the received message here. You can reply by typing your message in the text input field at the bottom of the page. After typing, you can click on Send button to send the message. You can also schedule the date and time to send the message. After selecting the date and time, click Confirm button to schedule. You can also attach documents. You can call the receiver directly. You can also add contact, block contact, etc. In the Contacts drop-down, select Contact as the receiver. The phone number selected is displayed in the receiver field. Click here to change the sender. In the section, click on the drop-down to select the sending number. Type hi in the message input box. Click the Send button to send the message. Thank you for choosing Easify.